Greetings and welcome to this final tunnel preparation video. My next video will feature tunnel installation. Of course, I'm referring to the Brightline tunnel that will be installed under Highway 528 just west of US 1 in Cocoa. Preparations are almost finished with tunnel installation being just days away, starting Sunday night, March 14th. All three tunnel sections are essentially complete, with the just poured concrete on tunnel section 3 being finished. These blue structures are used during the push of the tunnel sections. If you haven't seen how the tunnel sections are installed, check out the link below to a time-lapse of the goldenrod tunnel installation. Across the highway, it appears preparations are also complete with a crane staged for next week. Also staged for next week is this equipment pool, including excavators, dump trucks, and bulldozers. Work continues on the Industry Road overpass as well. Thanks for watching this Brightline Cocoa Tunnel update. Give the video a like and subscribe for future updates. This has been a Blue Sky production. Cheers.